It's Professor Dave. Let's look at adverbs.
He knows a lot about all kinds of stuff. Professor Dave explains.
We know a lot about verbs, so what's an adverb? Adverbs are small words that can be found near a verb. These modify the action described by the verb in a variety of ways, just like the way that adjectives modify nouns. Here are a few. Spesso, chiaramente, troppo, dopo. Now that we're clear on what adverbs are, let's talk about the different types of adverbs. There is one bit of good news. Adverbs are invariable, which means they don't change their form, no matter who the subject may be. That's a rare treat in Italian. First, let's talk about avverbi di tempo. These words are used when asking the question when, and they add information about the moment when a certain action is taking place. Here are the most common ones. Ora, adesso, domani, ieri, sempre, spesso, presto, tardi, subito. Some are expressions like di giorno, di notte, di mattina, di tanto in tanto, una volta. Next, let's look at avverbi di luogo. When answering the question where, these add information about where the action is taking place. Here are a few now. Qui, là, sopra, sotto, su, giù, laggiù, vicino, lontano, ovunque. Next, let's learn avverbi di quantità. They are used when asking how much. We already learned the words poco, molto, and troppo in the adjectives lesson. When these words are used as adjectives, it's because they are modifying nouns, and they must agree with their nouns in gender and number. For example, lui mangia molti dolci. Infatti, lui mangia troppi dolci. But these words can also be used adverbially, in which case they will modify a verb or an adjective. In this context, they will remain unchanged. Quelle bambine mangiano poco. La mia professoressa è molto intelligente. Queste scarpe sono troppo costose. La mia pasta è troppo salata. Other adverbs of quantity include abbastanza, meno, più, pressappoco, all'incirca. Next, let's check out avverbi di affermazione, negazione, e dubbio. These describe affirmative or negative reply, or even doubt. For affermazione, we can use sì, certo, sicuro, davvero, proprio. These ones give extra emphasis to our clause. Hai fame? Sì, Ho proprio fame. Sei stanco? Sì, sono davvero stanco. Now for negazione. No. Neppure, nemmeno o neanche. Mai. Affatto. Io non vado mai al cinema. Hai un cane? No, non ho nemmeno un pesciolino. We will see these again when we learn about double negatives. And for dubbio, we can use forse. Chissà. Può darsi. Quasi. Non so che cosa faremo, ma forse andremo al mare. C'erano quasi 20 persone alla festa. Giuseppe è alto più o meno come me. And lastly, we can learn avverbi di modo o maniera. This group is very important and it helps to answer the question how or in which way. These appear in different forms, but many correspond to English adverbs ending in ly that can be formed from adjectives. The Italian suffix that is equivalent to ly will be mente, and it will be invariable, while the stem might vary according to the type of adjective you are using. The first type uses adjectives ending in e. Here we just add the suffix. Veloce will become velocemente. The second type uses adjectives ending in le or re. With these, we drop the last letter of the stem. Originale becomes originalmente. And the third type uses adjectives ending in o. Here, the o becomes an a before we add the suffix. Onesto becomes onestamente. Here are a few more for good measure. Gentile, gentilmente. Diligente, diligentemente. Probabile, probabilmente. Serio, seriamente. Certo, certamente. Elegante, elegantemente. Regolare, regolarmente. Dolce, dolcemente. Particolare, particolarmente. Fortunato, fortunatamente. So as you can see, words can become very long when we start adding suffixes, like these. In fact, the longest recognized word in Italian is the adverb precipitevolissimamente, an 11-syllable word that means in a hasty way. But not all the quality adverbs end in mente. Here are some others. Piano, forte, bene, male, meglio, peggio, adagio, volentieri. Ada guida piano quando piove. Come stai? Bene. Certamente meglio di ieri, grazie. Vieni a casa domenica prossima? Volentieri. Before we finish, let's look at a few common adverbial phrases that will help you speak like a true Italian. A piedi. A cavallo. Di corsa. Alla svelta. Di fretta. A quattro occhi. A dismisura. Alla portoghese. Tra breve. Per sempre. Con calma. Di solito. Ogni tanto. A volte. Da solo. A meraviglia. And that's all we need to know about adverbs. So let's check comprehension. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Support me on Patreon so I can keep making content. And as always, feel free to email me, ProfessorDaveExplains@gmail.com.